Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Brandon here. How you doing? Now, I've been waiting for this to get delivered for about 4 weeks now, and it's been sent over from my good friend Game Boy Kingdom on Instagram from Russia. So he's in Russia, so it takes a long time for us to collaborate, but he sent over a golden original Game Boy. Now, he's even pipped out the front screen, and he's gave me a custom Zelda cartridge which is gold as well, and he's also made like a Japanese / European case for it. So he's taken both art and put it together into like a really unique case, which I'll show you now. So basically I'm going to unbox it for you, put the gold cartridge in the Game Boy, and we'll just see how generally this thing has been pimped. So without further ado, let's unbox the golden Game Boy. Okay, so this is how it got sent to me. Inside, he has padded it up pretty well, so that, yeah, there it is. There is the Game Boy itself, and it comes with a little sticker and a nice protective case, which we'll have a look at in a minute. And then here is the Zelda box with the game in it. So we'll pull this aside if I can, because the camera's in the way. There we go. And we'll have a look at the Game Boy first. Now, I'm super excited. So this is what the original Game Boy looks like. Obviously you know that, but let's take a look at the golden Game Boy here. Now, this kid over at Game Boy Kingdom on Instagram knows how to package his stuff. Now, you may have seen this little snippet on my Twitter the other day, but here it is. Oh, holy shit, just look at that. My god. So let's take it out of this awesome little protective case there. I think if you ever buy a custom Game Boy off him, he always puts it in this for you, just to keep it nice and protected. So there we have it. Here is the custom Game Boy. Now, if we bring over our old school friend here, that is the difference. Now, that to me is bloody beautiful. Has he painted the inside as well? Holy shit, yes he has. Touche, my friend, touche. And he's even got a little Zelda sticker on the back there for all that nice detail. So I'm gonna take off that protective cover now. Okay, so it looks like, don't know what was peeling off then. It looked like I have to stick that down a bit. And oh, there might be another one under there actually. I didn't think it peeled it off correctly. There we go, there we go. That's what it was trying to do. Pow. Oh, just look at that. So it looks like he's painted the shell gold inside and out, which is quite nice. And then, by the looks of things, he has laser printed the Zelda logo, Link's Awakening, on the front there, which is very, very nice. I'm getting smudges everywhere, Jesus. The buttons are great. I probably would have preferred them going gold as well, but it keeps the old school Game Boy aesthetic, which I dig. On the top there, you've got the power on button. Shall I put some batteries in this and fire up a little game? I think we should. Actually, I'll do that after we pull out the Zelda. So this is beyond beautiful. The amount of detail gone into it is very nice. I can't see any like paint bubbles or anything like that. It seems like a really nice coat of gold, which I really do dig. It would have been amazing if everything was gold, but it does keep the old Game Boy look and feel. So let's pull over the Zelda box here, which he's custom made as well. This guy goes into a lot of detail. Oh, okay. Happy New Year. Well, thanks, dude. I actually think he sent this way before New Year. So let's get this out. So I'm guessing this is the Link's Awakening case here, which is custom. Oh, I could have just pulled that out there. That would have made it a lot easier. So there we go. Holy snap, that looks awesome. Check out that. So he's taken the Japanese art and the European art and kind of made like a hybrid Game Boy case here for your cartridge. It's all in English, which is pretty cool, and it feels really sturdy. You can feel that it's definitely been, I think, printed. So that's really nice. And let's see if the game's in here. I'm hoping he's put the game in here. Okay, there we go. I don't want to open it up fully because I don't want to damage the box, but ooh, hello. Has there ever been a gold game cartridge? I know there's been Pokemon Gold, but apart from that, is this the old school Zelda one gold? I think it might be. So there you have it. There is the gold Game Boy cartridge of Zelda Link's Awakening. Now, I think he said to me, this isn't actually the game. He's just kind of made the cartridge, and he's gonna buy the game and then switch the casing, and all he needs is a manual as well to complete his collection. So this won't actually work, but I will put in another game that I do have in the gold Game Boy here. Just look at that glimmering on the side there. Holy shit. So let's put in some batteries and let's take a look at what it looks like with the game inside. So after a little blow of the cartridge, it has seemed to work, but my lighting and the whole camera setup that I have here doesn't really help. I don't know if you can see, but it is a like gold backlit screen that you have in this original Game Boy here. So it does, it will let you play it at night, which is really cool. So here I'm playing Turok. I've smacked that in, seems to have worked well, and I'm digging this, guys. This is a really nice Game Boy. He's done a really good job on the paintwork here. The backlit screen will help you play at night or in dark rooms if you're a little weird like that, but just generally Game Boy Kingdom has done a cracking job here. Absolutely amazing, and the detail of like the paint and the laser printing is just superb, and I love the golden screen here. So there we have it, a quick look at the golden Game Boy. Let me know if you want me to pimp or just get in any other pimped Game Boys. I plan to hopefully work with Game Boy Kingdom a bit more, so definitely check out his Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.